Hello and good evening everyone. As we know, our world is not getting any younger. Pollution rises up while materials goes down. Yet many companies and corporations require this not only for their products, but also for training purposes. That is why I took the liberty to present a topic involving the 9 Sustainable Development Goals, which is the industrial innovation and infrastructure. Have any of you wished if there is a way to simulate training without wasting any resources? What if there was a way to virtually interact with one another without the need of leaving your house? Ladies and gentlemen, what if I tell you it's all possible thanks to our current technology? Introducing virtual reality, the industrial innovation of the century. In this presentation, I will explain to you what is virtual reality, its components, and its usage. Before we begin, I would like to inform the audience that this information I present to you were gathered from IEEE Global Engineering Educon, TMD Studio, and multiple research articles that share the same topic. Hopefully this presentation will be able to educate the audience on how remarkable this technology has become. What is virtual reality, you ask? Well, virtual reality refers to a high-end user interface involving real-time simulation and interaction through multiple senses. It is as if you are entering an imaginary virtual world where everything is in 3D. Now let's move on to the components. In a VR headset, it consists of a head-mount display for comfortability, lens for eye precision, LCD screen for display, and most importantly, the connection interface. This connection interface is basically the motherboard of VR, consisting of the basic requirement to run a computer, such as RAM, processor, cooling fans, and more. In these motherboards, there is 3 sensors: an accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a magnetometer, which allows virtual world to exist in X, Y, and Z plane. Similar as using a phone, liquid crystal display, or known as LCD, project images and display to the eye. I know what you're thinking. Watching close to the screen can cause serious eye damage. Well, scientists and engineers perfected the optic lens in the VR to adjust the eye level and perception according to the pupil of the eye. On top of that, low light is projected from the LCD to reduce eye constraint. Now, why do we need VR? The benefits of this technology is unimaginable. This will bring revolution to innovation. Users can design and manufacture products on the tip of their finger. Most departments such as aerospace engineering uses this feature to design and increase their knowledge on in-depth assembly, not to mention the limitless possibility you create through creative thinking. Best of all, this simulation has zero impact to the real world. Since there is no harm to reality, VR can be known as a safe training ground to all employees and workers. Evidently, it has been used by many companies in Japan to simulate real teaching environment to educate and gain working experience. Not only businesses, yet surgical doctors and engineers tend to use VR as a practice ground before the real operation begins. Besides using it on employees and workers, managers and directors can also use VR to conduct meetings. I know what you're thinking. Isn't it the same as MST or Zoom platform? Well, it is, but VR makes it more fun and intuitive, especially when it comes to team building exercise. Can VR bring profit to the industry? Well, it can. In fact, VR reduces the cost of materials and resources to be used since it can be virtually created by the user. Not only that, VR has a wireless technology connecting the user to the internet, making work to be seamlessly possible anywhere. Imagine the traveling costs. Engineers or an astronaut can remotely do physical work at home with just the needs of a fast connection. These are some of the departments widely used in VR, and the list just keeps on growing as more users accept VR as their platform. Looking into the United States market, virtual reality have been exponentially increased in its revenue throughout the years, and the projection for 2022 predicts a more satisfiable growth. This shows that virtual reality have been widely used in the United States, and further countries will soon follow the trend. In conclusion, virtual reality can provide us with safe training environment without any consequences to the real world. VR might have started as a niche product in the gaming industry, but its benefits have now transferred into the wider business sphere. With VR, business can create true-to-life simulation in risk-free, cost-effective ways. With more users share their creative thinking, who knows what possibilities the future can hold. Anything is possible with the help of VR. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation educate you, the audience, on how VR can shape the industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any question on virtual reality.